Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Luana English Podcast. I am Luana, your host, and I am so happy you are tuning in today. How are you doing, listeners?
And hello from me, too. I'm Josimer, your co-host. We are so glad to have you with us. Today, we have a very special, very warm topic for you.
Yes, Josimar. Today, we are talking about friendship and kindness, specifically giving encouragement. What do you say when a friend is sad or having a bad day?
That is so important, Luana. In life, we all have bad days. Knowing the right words to say in English to make a friend smile can change everything.
Exactly. And don't worry, listeners. We will use simple, natural words that you can practice today. Let's get started. Hey, Josimar. Over here. Oh, wait. Are you okay? You look a bit down.
Hey, Luana. Yeah, I'm okay. I had a really rough day at work today. My presentation didn't go well, and my boss was not happy.
Oh, no. I am so sorry to hear that, Josimar. Go easy on yourself. You worked so hard on that project.
Thanks, Luana. I just feel like I failed, I made a big mistake in front of the whole team.
Hey, look at me. Cheer up. One bad presentation doesn't mean you are bad at your job. Everyone makes mistakes. It's completely normal.
I know, but it's hard not to feel bad about it right now.
I completely understand. It is okay to feel sad, but remember, tomorrow is a new day. You can try again.
That's true. I can fix the mistakes tomorrow.
Exactly. Keep your chin up. You are an amazing project manager, and I know how smart you are. Don't let one bad afternoon change that.
Thanks, Luana. You're right. Your words really help.
That's what friends are for. Now, let's get a big chocolate cake. Cake always helps, right?
Yes, cake definitely helps. Let's do it.
Welcome back to our deep dive section. Josimar, you feel better now after that conversation and the imaginary cake, right?
Much better, Luana. And that conversation actually showed some great ways to encourage someone in English. Let's look at a few phrases you used.
The first thing I said to you was, go easy on yourself. Josimar, what does that mean for our A1, A2 learners?
This is a beautiful phrase. It means do not be too hard on yourself. Don't judge yourself too strictly when you make a mistake. Be kind to yourself, like you would be to a friend.
Yes, we often say this when someone is stressed or feeling guilty about a mistake.
Then you said cheer up. This is a very common short phrase in English.
Right. Cheer up simply means be happier or start smiling. We say it to friends who look sad. But remember, listeners, use a soft, friendly voice. If you say it too loudly, it can sound a bit rude. You want to say it with love. Hey, cheer up.
And my favorite one you used was keep your chin up.
Oh, I love that one too. Your chin is the bottom part of your face, below your mouth. When people are sad, they usually look down at the floor.
Exactly. So when we say keep your chin up, we physically mean look forward, be proud, and stay positive because things will get better.
Now, let's review 5 important words and phrases from today's episode so our listeners can add them to their vocabulary notebooks. Josimar, want to start with number 1?
I would love to. Number 1, rough, adjective, meaning difficult or unpleasant. In our dialogue, I had a rough day. Example, I had a rough week at school, so I need to sleep all weekend. Number 2, to feel down, phrasal verb, meaning to feel sad or unhappy. Example, if you ever feel down, you can call me and we can talk. Number 3, go easy on yourself, idiom or phrase, meaning to be kind and forgiving to yourself. Example, you are learning a new language, so go easy on yourself when you make mistakes. Number 4, cheer up, phrasal verb, meaning to become happier or to make someone happier. Example, I brought you some flowers to help you cheer up. Number 5, keep your chin up, idiom, meaning to stay positive in a difficult situation. Example, keep your chin up. I'm sure you will find a great job soon.
What a wonderful episode, Josimar. Learning how to be supportive in English is such a great skill.
It really is. To all our listeners out there, here's your call to action for today. Write down one of these phrases in our comments section or use it today with a friend who might need a little extra love.
Yes, practice makes perfect. Thank you so much for listening to the Luana English Podcast. Go easy on yourselves, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone. Stay positive.